Hi, hello everyone. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle from Peddapalli. Now I would like to teach you Chapter 1, Real Numbers. Chapter 1, Real Numbers. In this video, I am going to teach you set of numbers. In this set of numbers, we discuss natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and real numbers. Let us learn one by one. First, natural numbers. What are natural numbers? The numbers which you use to count things are called natural numbers. While counting things, we use 1, 2, 3 and so on like this. So these numbers are called natural numbers. We are using these numbers to count things. So that's why we also call this counting numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by the letter n. N is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and so on. So what is the smallest natural number? 1. What is the largest natural number? There isn't exist largest number. So this indicator and so on and so on means there are so many numbers like this. So that's why we can't say largest number, largest natural number. We can say smallest natural number, that is 1, but we can't say largest natural number. We can show this on number line. Number line. So how to show this in number line? So this is a line which we show numbers on this line. We can call this number line. 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is the fixed starting number. So that's why we can keep this like this dot. So one side only moving this numbers. Every natural number have successor. Every natural number have its successor. Successor means just after number. If we added any number, we get the next natural number. That is called successor of the number. But we don't have predecessor for every natural number. So if we asked what is the predecessor of 1, we can't say. So that's why every natural number we don't have predecessor. Next, second one, whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. Natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by the letter W. This is the starting letter or initial letter. Set of whole numbers W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. What is the smallest whole number? 0 is the smallest whole number. What is the largest whole number? There isn't exist. We can't say largest number. That is the infinity. So we can show this on number line. So this is the line. We can indicate numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is on left side. This is the initial. It moves on right only. So this is the number line. Every whole number has its successor. Every whole number has its successor. But every whole number don't have predecessor. See here, these are all natural numbers. These all are natural numbers in whole numbers. But all whole numbers not natural numbers, except 0 are natural numbers. So that's why we can say natural numbers. This is the oval shown natural number. Natural numbers are in whole numbers. So this is oval. Wholes. All natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers. See here, these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on are whole numbers. In this, these 1, 2, 3 and so on only natural numbers. 0 not a whole number. So we can say all natural numbers are in whole numbers, but all whole numbers not natural numbers, except 0 are natural numbers. So that's why we can say these are the natural numbers, shown as a oval. So these are in whole numbers. These are in whole numbers. All natural numbers are in whole numbers, but all whole numbers not in natural numbers. That's why we can say this n subset w. N subset w. Third one, integers. What are integers? All positive numbers, all negative numbers together with 0 are called integers. Let us see all positive numbers: +1, +2, +3, and so on. These are all positive numbers. Positive numbers. Positive numbers. -1, -2, -3, and so on. These are called all negative numbers. Negative numbers together with 0 are called integers. Integers are denoted by the letter Z or I. Z or I. Integers are denoted by the letter Z or I. Why should show with I is the initial letter, okay, but why should show with Z? We are pronouncing this integers, so we are pressing G like Z, so that's why it is these integers also denoted by the letter Z. All the positive numbers and all the negative numbers together with 0 are called integers. So negative numbers are shown with Z minus, positive numbers shown with Z plus. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Neither positive nor negative. We can show on number like this. One, 2, 3, +1. Sometimes we don't write this plus. We omit this plus. Not sometime. Generally -3. So the integers moves on both sides. On left decreasing side, decreasing, side, right increasing side, right increasing side. These integers also shown like this also. Z is equal to 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3. Like this also we can show the set of integers. So this is the decreasing side, this is the increasing side. Now I will ask a few questions. Give answers basing this number line and set of numbers. What is the smallest integer? So there isn't a smallest integer. On both the ways, infinitely. So that's why there isn't a smallest integer. Infinitely, that the answer is doesn't exist. We can't say largest, smallest number. Numbers are endless. So this is the answer. What is the smallest integer? There isn't exist smallest integers. So infinitely. So this is the answer. What is the largest integer? We can't say largest integer. There isn't exist largest integer. Integers are endless. So that's why. So we give answer like this. So what is the largest negative integer? So largest, this is the decreasing side. So this is the largest negative integer. Largest negative integer. Largest negative integer is -1. What is the smallest negative positive integer? What is the smallest positive integer? Yes. So this is the smallest positive integer, z plus. So this is the smallest positive integer. So in this all integers have its successor. Every integer has a successor and a predecessor. Every integer has its successor and a predecessor. Next, all whole numbers are integers. See here, these are all whole numbers. All whole numbers are integers, but all integers are not whole numbers. So in this we have negative numbers also. All integers are not whole numbers. All whole numbers are integers. All natural numbers are integers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers. What are rational numbers? What are irrational numbers? There are different definitions here. First, one definition for both. The numbers which can be written in the form of p by q are called rational numbers. P by q. So p by q means p by q, numerator and denominator. So that's why we can call these fractional numbers also. Fractional numbers. Fractional numbers. The numbers which can be written in the form of p by q. What are p by q? What are pq? P and q are integers. pq belongs to integers. What about this q? What about this q? Q not is equal to 0. If there is 0 in denominator, means division by 0 is not defined. That's why we don't have 0 in the denominator. So we can show rational numbers with q. Rational numbers are denoted by q. Why should show rational numbers by q? You think and comment in the comment box. There is a reason. Okay, you only comment. Q is equal to x such that x, or x is equal to p by q. pq belongs to z, q not is equal to 0. This is the set builder form. What is the definition? As per definition I have written this. The numbers which can be written in the form p by q, in the form of p by q, are called rational numbers. Next, what are irrational numbers? The numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q are called irrational numbers. The numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q are called irrational numbers. To understand the definitions, here we have 5 examples. Which of the following are rational numbers or irrational numbers? First question, 43.1234567 So this decimal number can be written in the form p by q. So that's why this is a rational number. So how can we write this p by q form? See carefully. removing the decimal point and write it as numerator. Simply 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is numerator, and write as many zeros in the decimal part. This is the decimal part. This is the decimal part. This is the whole number part or integral part. Integral or whole number part. Integral part or whole number part. So write numerator, deleting the decimal point, and write as many zeros in the decimal part. Those many zeros write in the denominator. How many? 9 places. 4 5 6 7 8 9. After 1, for this decimal point, place 1 after these many 1 to 9 zeros we have to write, totally 9. So this is the answer. We have written this number, this decimal number, in P by Q form. That's why this is a rational number. So this is a rational number. Rational numbers are denoted by the letter Q. Irrational numbers are denoted by a letter Q dash or S. S means surds in higher sections. So Q rational, other than rational numbers are irrational numbers. That's why Q dash. Next, here see 0.120, 1200, 12000, 12000. Once again 0.120, 1200, 12000, 12000, and so on. This number, there is no sequencing. We can't write P by Q form. So that's why this is a irrational number. There is sequencing, but there is no recurring part same. There is no numbers coming same. So there is changes. Here extra 1 0, here 2 zeros, here 0 coming, increasing zeros. Next, 43.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 bar. So this can be written P by Q form. How like? So remove the decimal point, write in numerator 43.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How many places under bar? Those many write in the denominator. How many? 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these many 9s we have to write. So that's why this is a P by Q form. That's why these are called rational numbers. Next, pi. Pi is a Greek letter. So what is pi? When we show this pi, the ratio of circumference and diameter is called pi. So this is the circle. The total length of this circle is called circumference. Thus, the line going on the center is called diameter. The ratio of C is to D or C by D is denoted by letter pi. So this value, approximate value, the ratio of any circle of this ratio, circumference and diameter is same, so that is shown by pi. Approximately value of this ratio is pi approximate value is equal to 22/7. The approximate decimal value is equal to 3.14. This is also approximate value. So that's why this is not exact value. So that's why this is pi is a irrational number. So this is given in Poliset 2022 Telangana Poliset 2022 question. Next year and so on. 0.10, 110, 1110, 11110. So we can't write this also P by Q form. That's why this is also irrational number. I think you understood. If there is any doubt, you comment in my comment box. I will give explanation again. Now we have to know one more definition for rational and irrational numbers. If the square root of whole number is not a whole number, then the number is called irrational number. If the square root of whole number is a whole number, then the number is called a rational number. To understand these definitions, we have to take few examples here. Square root of 1, square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 4, square root of 5, square root of 6, square root of 7. Okay, this is enough. Square root of 1, square root of 1, 1. Square root of 2, square root of 2 what? Square root of 3, square root of 2 what? Square root of 2, 2 to the 4. So 2 to the 4, 2. Square root of 5, no. Square root of 6, no. Square root of 7, no. So these have square roots. Square root of 1, square root of 1 and 4. These are whole numbers. 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are whole numbers. These are square roots. Square root of these numbers is these root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7. We don't have values, whole numbers. So that's why these are called root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 and etc. These are irrational numbers. These are called irrational numbers. We can say not exact value, but we can say approximate value of this root 2, 1.414, root 3, 1.732, approx, root 5, 2.236. This we have to know. Approximate values only. But these are exactly whole numbers. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 4. Oh, sorry. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. So like this. You have to know squares and square roots, squares up to 25. You memorize again and again until to get perfect. So once I will tell you these squares, 1 square, 1 1 is 1, 2 2 square 2 2 is 4, 3 square 3 3 is 9, 4 square 4 4 is 16, 5 square 5 5 is 25, 6 square 6 6 is 36, 7 square 7 7 is 49, 8 square 8 8 is 64, 9 square 9 9 is 81, 10 square 10 10 is 100, 11 square 11 is 121, 12 square 12 12 is 144, 13 square 13 13 is 169, 14 square 14 14 is 196, 15 square 15 15 is 225, 16 square 16 16 is 256, 17 square 17 17 is 289, 18 square 18 18 is 324, 19 square 19 19 is 361, 20 square 20 20 is 400, 21 square 21 21 is 441, 22 square 22 22 is 484, 23 square 23 23 is 529, 24 square 24 25 is 576, 25 square 25 25 is 625. So like this you have to revise again and again until to get perfect. So I think you understood this definition. If we get like this, whole number, square root of number, whole number is whole number, those are rational numbers. If we don't get a whole number, the square root of whole number, those are called irrational numbers. Next, real numbers. What are real numbers? The collection of all rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Real numbers are denoted by the letter R. R is equal to the collection of all rational numbers, Q, and irrational numbers, surd, Q union S, or Q union Q dash. The collection of all rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Real numbers are denoted by the letter R. So we can show these all in a Venn diagram. Natural numbers, including 0, whole numbers. After writing this steps, I will show you in Venn diagram. Natural numbers, including 0, whole numbers with negative numbers, integers including fractions, rational numbers including irrational numbers, real numbers. So these we studied. Now I will show you on Venn diagram. So natural numbers are in whole numbers are in integers are in rational numbers. These rational numbers are in real numbers, and also irrational numbers also in Q dash or S, also in real numbers. What we understood, all natural numbers are in whole numbers, so we can write n subset W. All whole numbers are in integers. All integers are in rational numbers. All rational numbers are in real numbers. All irrational numbers also in real numbers. So this we can write in one single sequence, n subset W, W subset to integers, integer subset to rational numbers, rational number subset real numbers, and also irrational number subset to real numbers. So these are all about real numbers. Thank you for watching this video.